Caretaker, Part Roman 2. Infinite Regress. Infinite Regress. Time and Again. Original airing Jan 30, 1995. The Omega Directive. The Omega Directive. Caretaker. Body and Soul. Body and Soul. Scorpion Part 2. Investigations. Flashback. Original airing Sep 11, 1996. Someone to watch over me. Pray. The Raven. Original airing Oct 8, 1997. 1. Displaced. Think Tank. Eye of the Needle. Original airing Feb 20, 1995. Child's Play. Basics. Original airing May 20, 1996. Worst Case Scenario. The Killing Game, Part Roman 2. Original airing Mar 4, 1998. Hope and Fear. Death Wish. Death Wish. The Voyager Conspiracy. Original airing Nov 24, 1999. Equinox. Scientific Method. Year of Hell Part 2. Dark Frontier. Original airing Feb 17, 1999. Endgame. Original airing May 23, 2001. Distant Origin. Original airing April 30, 1997. Metabolic. The Void. Scorpion Part 1. Message in a Bottle. Year of Hell Part 1. Shattered. Original airing Jan 17, 2001. Deadlock. Original airing Mar 18, 1996. Futures End Part 2. Original airing Nov 13, 1996. Relativity. Living Witness. Living Witness. Yes. Latent Image. Original airing Jan 20, 1999. Drone. Original airing Oct 21, 1998. Scorpion Part Roman 2. Original airing Sep 3, 1997. Timeless. Timeless. Year of Hell. Original airing Nov 5, 1997. Year of Hell Part Roman 2. Scorpion. Scorpion. Link of an Eye. Original airing Jan 19, 2000.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.